All right. So, do gap years matter? To be honest with you guys, it depends on the gap number of gap years, and to be very honest, it matters. But in the larger picture, it doesn't. I will tell you how. So let me tell you this that there are a lot of people who have cleared CAT, GDPI also with more than 8 years of gap. There are even more people who have cleared with 5, even more with 3. So it is possible. It's not impossible. It's possible. So let's get deep into it. By if you have 1 year drop, 2 year drop, 3 year drop, or more than that, I will talk about all of those sections. So let's get started. So let's see if you have 1 year drop. For example, if you got passed in 2024 this year, and you are going to give CAT of this year itself, and uh, this year itself. So you will be joining the college in 2025, right? So apparently you will have a 1 year gap. So this doesn't matter at all. Never. This gap don't matter at all. So if you're passed and this year and you are not getting any job, then it's of no problem, guys. Just prepare for CAT, score well, and they won't even consider this as a gap for you. So yeah, first section is clear, so no problem for this. The second kind of people will be like me. Like if you graduated in 2023, I graduated in December of 2023, and I appeared for CAT 2023 as well, but it didn't go well. So I'm preparing for CAT 2024 again. So I will be joining a college in 2025. So apparently I will have 1.5 to 2 years of gap. So even for you guys, it will be 2 years of gap. So to be honest with you guys, it doesn't matter. If you score well, it doesn't matter. But you have to justify it in your GDPI, like what you did in this gap year. One thing it will be you prepared for CAT and you did so well, hence they have give you a call and brought you for the GDPI, right? So if you justify it well, it doesn't matter. 2 years of gap is no problem. If you prepared for last year and you are not satisfied with your results and you are reappearing for CAT in this year, it doesn't matter. Just study well and justify it in your GDPI, which I guess you can do it. Sure. So if your gap is for more than 3 years, like most probably if your gap is for more than 3 years, it will be because of you're preparing for some exam, either CAT, either government exam, either UPSC, SSC, anything like that. So to be honest, if you guys just explain them or justify them that for so and so reason I took a gap and I failed, or I learned some things and now I'm trying to do an MBA, hence I took the gap and prepared for CAT again, and see now I cleared it, so I am right in front of you now. They will understand it. Be it for any other reason, like health reason, any other reason, just be honest with them and try your best to justify them. First of all, if you have to justify them, you have to score well in CAT. If you score well, then they will give a GDPI call, and then you have an opportunity or a chance to justify it to them. So aim scoring good in CAT, and rest of it doesn't matter. Gaps doesn't matter. There are many of people who have cleared CAT with way more gap years than you can imagine. 3 years is nothing in front of that. So the main thing would be they will ask you questions regarding it in your GDPA. Be prepared for it. Like you know that they will ask, right? So prepare answers related to that. You can like play Uno reverse to them. Yeah. So the conclusion would be the gap doesn't matter if you can justify it. How you can justify it? Maybe by scoring well. First of all, if you score well, then they have given you a call. But if you score exceptionally well, then you don't even need to justify it. It's well justified itself. But gap doesn't matter if you can justify it. That's the conclusion of the video. And yeah, all the best for CAT, guys. And that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.